So this is a Bonnie on the perch out there, and she's out for her, in this particular instance, 2.5 minute coffee break. So I just thought it was really cool the way she flies around, and I don't know, it just does funny acrobats around the house. So I'll show you guys what it looked like. Anyway, she's just gonna jump off the perch and fly around her house. I can see now why they refer to them as the white ghost. And you'll see too in this slow motion video of her flying around, getting some exercise. But that's all she's doing, is just getting out of the box for a minute and stretching her wings. And here comes the white ghost. Anyway, there's Bonnie's coffee break. She flies back into the house within about 45 seconds.